Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to undo sent messages in Gmail. Now first, to get this done, what you're going to do is click the compose right here and you're going to go ahead and send, for example, Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and just do this one test, and then I'm going to go ahead and click send. Now you're going to notice that here there is an undo button that you can click here. Now take note though that there is just a window, so as you can see now it's gone, meaning you cannot undo this anymore. So by default, there will be like a 5-second window for you, but if you want to increase this one, you can click the settings here, see all settings, and then you can go ahead and look for undo send and change this to 30 seconds. So 30 seconds is going to be the maximum now instead of the 5 by default. Make sure you click save changes here, and yeah, you can go ahead and now try to do it one more time, and if you do so, it's going to be longer, so you'll have more option or longer option to undo this message right now. But yeah, basically that's how you're going to undo sent message in Gmail.